Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to track RSVPs on Evite. So the first thing to do is to go to your page or and click on your profile here. Click on my invitations to get a list of all the invitations you've been invited to, and the ones you've sent out, and the ones you've hosted, and the ones you are a guest to or a guest of. So once the page is set up, all you have to do is to go to the particular event you want to check. Let's assume I want to check this grad ceremony. All you have to do is click on manage events here, and then to bring you to a list like this, where you see the hosts, the guests. So if any guest has RSVP'd, you'd see them beneath here, beneath just this guest list. You see them, and then you can track each guest from here. So you can also add more guests here, and that is how to actually track your RSVP invites here. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and guys, please subscribe to the channel. Peace.